Trying peas. Peas. If you smile, can we see your teeth if you smile? Can you smile? Show everybody your teeth? No? Alright. Let's see what Alex thinks of the peas. Here, Alex. Alex. Here's the peas. Come on. Try the peas. Good boy. Good boy. You want to try more? Go. Good boy. Yummy. Peas are good. Yeah. Peas are yummy. Come on. Come on, open up, open up, open up, open up. Open up. Come on, Maddie. Come on, Blue Eyes. Come on. Open up. Oh, what are you doing? Can I see a smile? Can I see a smile? There you go. Good girl. Say, we're liking this eating stuff. Say, we're liking this eating stuff. Okay, Alex, here. Alex. Hey. Stop looking out the window. Here. Here it is. Here it is. Good job. Way to go, guys. Peas aren't that bad. Peas are good. You don't believe me, do you? Want some more peas, Maddie? Good job. What a good girl, eating your veggies. Are you eating your veggies?